Hi, it's Joe Farr here at 29 Coalstoun Crossing at Waterford. We're standing inside one of the nicest houses you'll find in this neighborhood. It's got big backyard, double tandem carport down the side that's lockable, air conditioning. This house is late model, very young house with high ceilings, 9-foot ceilings, new Bosch dishwasher in the kitchen here. Presents beautifully. It's owner occupied, so you can move straight in. We don't have to wait for a long lease to run out, or buy it for investment and put a great set of tenants in. One of the best things about it is look at this park right across the street. You've got all this play area, swings, jungle gym, everything for the kids, and nobody corporate right across the street. You don't have to look after it. The council does. Come over here, have a picnic, barbecues built in. What more can you ask for? It's not just for kids, it's for adults too. What more can you ask for? And it's priced to sell. So give me a call before it's gone. Joe Farr, license to sell 55007 007.